Just like I said the other time, you don't need to be a graphic designer to create stunning graphics. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use a simple AI to create amazing birthday flyer. And in this tutorial, we are going to use ChatGPT to create this stunning, elegant, luxury looking birthday flyer. So don't miss out. Watch every single step the way. So we are now in our ChatGPT, and what I want to do, I want to come and ask ChatGPT this question. So I'm going to type, hello, can you create a, a luxury style birthday flyer for me if I upload 3 pictures and the name of the celebrant? To you. Now I ask this question. Hello, can you create a luxury style birthday flyer for me if I upload 3 pictures of this and the name of the celebrant to you? And I'll send it to ChatGPT. Let's get his response. Absolutely. Go ahead and upload the 3 pictures and provide the name of the celebrant along any of the following details you would like to include. Age, if you want on the flyer, dates and time of the event, venue and location, dress code optional, and host. Okay, so I'll say I will now go here and click. Uh, Let me bring on my brush so that I can illustrate for you very well. So I'll come to this place here, yes, and then I'll click on it to go into my gallery. Then I'll click on these photos. By the time you click on photos, it's going to take you into your phone gallery. So I'm going to select the picture I want to upload to ChatGPT. I'm going to press done, and then once I select this picture like this, I press done. Then I'm going to say this is the main picture. I'll say this is the main picture. Hold on while I upload the remaining 2 before you create. I'll send. I said this is the main picture. Hold on while I upload the remaining 2 before you create. You now say, okay, get it. I received the main picture and noted it. Please go ahead and upload the 2 pictures. So the name of the celebrant, any event detail, like I know, just calm down, guy. So I'll go to photos again, and then I'll put the second picture, which is this one. I'll press done. Here is the third picture. Here is the third picture, comma, his name is Idris. Idris Musa, aka the Catalyst. Add only the date, which is today, August 3rd. Full stop. Go ahead and create a luxury modern style flyer. So now, once you add your prompt like this, the next thing you just do is to send. So let's wait for ChatGPT to do the magic.
Boom, our image is here. So this is our flyer. Just save your flyer and you are good to go. Do well to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Try this out and let me know in the comment section. See you on another video.